After being cut off essentially from the rest of the world for nearly 3 years due to its zero COVID measures, Chinese health authorities say the country's borders will reopen on January 8th. Chinese citizens are already busy making travel arrangements with South Korea in their top 10 travel destinations. Eun-jin reports.
On Monday, Chinese health authorities announced that from January 8, their management of COVID-19 will be downgraded from the current top-level Category A to the less strict Category B. They have also decided to rename what's been called the novel coronavirus pneumonia to novel coronavirus infection, suggesting that the disease has become more manageable. The deputy director of China's National Health Commission said during a press briefing in Beijing on Tuesday that China's epidemic prevention and control has entered a new stage and that this will now lead towards a post-pandemic era that will require tactful strategies to curb the virus spread. He also highlighted that withstanding the impact of 5 waves of the pandemic over the past 3 years has given the health authorities confidence in the latest decisions.
We have closely tracked the characteristics of the virus, studied and evaluated the changes in the epidemic situation, and created conditions for us to adjust the legal categorization of the novel coronavirus infection. The adjustment to Class B infectious disease under Class B management is a move after full preparations and is definitely not just passively reopening.
Medical institutions in Shanghai are making all-out efforts to respond to local residents' needs for medical help amid the latest COVID-19 surge. Many hospitals in Shanghai have enlarged their ICU capacity and increased their medicine inventories.
We prepared 120 new beds for severe cases to meet the demand for treatment. We also increased our inventory of medicine and other supplies.
For inbound passengers, Beijing has decided to scrap its current 8-day quarantine for arrivals and testing on arrival and will now only require a negative test result obtained within 48 hours prior to boarding. Outbound travel for Chinese nationals is also said to have been restored in an orderly manner. A local search observation network reported that in less than an hour after the government announcement, searches for international flights went up tenfold, with South Korea included in the top 10 destinations, along with Japan, the US, Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia. Eun-jin, Arirang News.